Hey everybody, it's Mark from Mark's Home Hobbies. I was talking with a commenter about waxing the track, and this is what I come up with right here. You can get this at Home Depot, wet look floor finish, and this goes on tile floors or whatever kind of floor you want to put it on. And I'm going to tell you, this stuff is so slippery. It says slip resistant, but no. This stuff is like glass, and I'm going to put it on this track here according to the instructions. I took out the obstacle over there. It's just hard to overcome it, so I'm going to remove that tape, fill in that little gap over there of carpeting, and I'll probably make just a little turnout there for cars to park on the side there or something. It just seems to be too much of a problem. Also, this the carpet obstacle that was down here, yeah, that proved too much of a problem too, as the cars really get hung up on this grass. I mean, if you touch the edge of that grass, you're stuck, buddy. So yeah, the grass is definitely an obstacle to be reckoned with. So when you see this next time, it's all going to have a gloss finish. And by the way, thanks to all my new subscribers and commenters for all the great comments and the subscription. I plan on doing a giveaway to the United States commenters and subscribers, and some 3D printed hop-up parts for the K969 or K989, your choice. So that's coming up too. So make sure you subscribe and like, share, comment, and all that stuff. Anyway, it's Mark's Home Hobby saying see you in the next one.